Hi guys, so this is Grace again and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. And for today's video, we're walking again, afternoon walk. So this is the dirt road on the way to the highway, and we're gonna go to the shortcut. It's on the right side, going to the main highway. So there's a shortcut on this side, and we can't go to this road with our minivan. It's because there's just a small bridge that the van can't go, so we need to go to that side. They're straight there. So Virgil and Pia,
Hi guys.
go with me this afternoon. So it's been 1 week now since I've not been doing some walking. So it's nice to be back again. So guys, we're still experiencing some aftershock. Last night there's a 4.6 magnitude. We feel it around 9:30 in the evening. It's a little bit hard, but the other night it's really it really shakes the house because it's 6.7, and the epicenter of the earthquake is in Bogo City. So that place is just my uncle's family, where my uncle's family live. It's before that, so they really affect much there. But thankfully that my uncle's family, they are all okay, but they still have no electricity until now, and there's no water. So there's some people it's been helping them from the government, and hopefully they'll be okay guys, because they really need some food, some water to drink. And there's like 72 people been dead on that magnitude 6.7 earthquake. It's really sad because we really don't know what happened. So they cannot prepare that time. So it's really sad. I've been looking some videos on my Facebook page. It's really sad. There's a lot of church that is been collapsed. There's a lot of buildings and some houses that's been damaged so badly. And there's some food store also. Even here in San Carlos, there's a lot of damage also, especially in the convenience store. Some of their drinks has been broken. So it's really sad. Hopefully that the aftershock, no more aftershock, because it really scared us also. Are you okay, Virgil? Say hi guys.
Hi guys.
So I've been contacting my cousin yesterday. She said that they are all okay, but there's still no electricity and there's no water there too. But there's lots of people has been helping them, but I hope it's enough. So one of my cousin, when it happens, he's at the school because he's been going in the night school. So he's been panicking. He's been jumping there in the stairs where there's school, and he's been hurting his legs. He's just like panicking. That's why he don't know what to do. So but he's okay now, just pain on his legs. And also his school, the rooms are very damaged. Virgil, padaplin. So hopefully guys that everything is okay there. Virgil, padaplin. Because it's really sad. It breaks my heart when I saw the videos that there's family died like that. There's some church that it's been collapsed. There's other things, guys, that it's really damaged. But we are so I am so thankful also for all the people. It's been helping them to recover. Here in the Philippines, when there's like a tragedy like that, is we're helping each other. So hopefully guys that they can recover soon. And we're glad also that it not affect much here in our place. I've been scared also that time because Virgil has been sleep downstairs, and Virgil not even feel the earthquake because he's been full asleep that time already, because it happens around 9:30, Virgil, 9:30 in the evening. I also sleep that time, that then I asked my husband if he shake the bed. So he said that it's an earthquake. So I got panic. Then I need to stand because I need to check Virgil. Then my husband told me to calm down. But we are all okay. Our house is very strong. So we are here at the highway, guys. It's on the way to Bagawinis. My tripod is broke.
Naglatis at tabi. Ay!
Virgil, stay on that side, ha?
Kuyawan, pugos kong nawong ay.
We already walk 3 kilometers. Ato tapi ka side. Stay in that side. We transfer to the other side because there's big space on this side here.
Ang view ba nindot kayo?
Picture it. It's nice to have walk again. Lots of traffic this afternoon, guys, because it's already 4:15 in the afternoon.
Ngit-ngitap. Ay! Una mami ko. Parangkit ang
Dili ka mula bang, ha? You need to ask mommy's
naman ko.
permission.
Ay,
Did you
nagdako
look
ka, Jill?
left and right? Virgil, did you look left and right? Laplin dahi kay sinaikuan ba? Padung sakyanan. And maybe by tomorrow we're gonna walk again. My tripod is damaged, the holder.
Maso lang.
Virgil, palaplin. So Virgil and Pia having some snacks. Show them your snacks, Virgil. What you got? They've been so thirsty. We buy some drinks there at the market over there in Bagawinis. And I have some foods for dinner, guys. And I have some junk foods. And some Emperador for my husband. It's a rum. So it's already 5 p.m. in the afternoon. So I have some foods, lots of foods here. While we're walking, we stopped by there at the market to buy some foods. I think they're tired.
Bolsa ko ah.
Hurry up, guys! Okay, maaptan tangit-ngit. It's almost dark. It's already 5:10 in the afternoon. Oh, kuyog. Ano pa kay paliton? She's asking if we walk going to Kabulihan because she lives before our barangay. So, she still go to the market first. It's nice day. No rain today. Yesterday afternoon it's been raining hard, but today the weather is fine.
Pagis ako ah, perfume na ko.
Flash Express delivery. Ari tagi kilid ay kilid tagi. That's Virgil's school there. They don't have some class today because of the sports event. They're gonna go back by Monday. So by Monday, it's cards day for them.
Ha? Liga din ha? Dili eh.
Labang talabang.
Liga na. Unsa na oras mami?
So we're on the way home now, guys. Lots of sugar cane around us.
What yung untok ta nga dito no?
Sugar cane everywhere.
Gabinaan gid ta no?
You guys tired?
No.
No. They're not tired because they've been eating some snacks. It's like 5:15 in the afternoon.
Mamon to tong pangwaon sa una. Ato. Bonito ra nato.
So this is the way
One ba?
to our place.
Buang ang free bite.
And as you can see, the ground is a little bit wet because it's been raining yesterday.
Bite.
We got lucky today because we can use whole day solar. And we can
Where?
able to charge our battery also. So it's free electricity today.
Kahit hindi ko tiyan sa pilit kay. Basura. Sugar ako.
So it be about 3 kilometers from here to our place.
Mga ko ba kong vlog number 10? Hoy, sa ta kalit mga ibi.
Mountain view.
Hoy, sa ta mga ibi. Di ara.
Bird said, "Mommy, let's rest first. We're gonna rest here nice, guys. You can see. Dark clouds there. Di lagi, don't sit down because you're... Stretch your legs, stretch your legs.
Ano ko yung sapatos daghan kay balas.
Virgil, you get hurt. Down, be down.
Daga nagbalas.
So, as you can see, it's dark clouds over there too, over the mountains. So guys, I think that's all for today. Thank you so much again for watching and for supporting my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for all the nice comments. So, see you on my next video, guys. Thank you so much.
Bye-bye,
Say
guys.
bye-bye. Virgil, say bye-bye.
Guys.
Bye.